285 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque, matched to an 8-speed automatic.
Nice.
"11" of ground clearance, gas-powered Bilstein shocks, 3-inch Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. Got an off-road pages app on our center. Got a pitch and roll monitor in it. Tells us the degrees the Jeep sits on. This is a 35-degree incline. Climbs at no problem. Got a forward camera. Lets us see beyond the hood going over steep terrain. Always helps to see where you're going. Got dynamic grid lines on that image too. They move as you turn through. This is a 30-degree bank. Jeeps have low centers of gravity. Very difficult for them to roll over. Can tow 7,000 pounds. Has a 1,700-pound payload capacity.